So in this video, you're going to learn how to color grade multiple image with few clicks, and it can be done within 1 minute as long as you have edited all your images and now you want to color grade them. Instead of doing them one at a time, you can actually do them at a go. So the first thing to do is to come here under your action button. If you can't find it here, you go to Windows and you activate it, or you press Alt F9 to get it. So once you're here, you click on this keyboard, then you type the name of the action you want to set up. Then let me use this as color grade. Color grade. Then you click record. So what happens here is anything, every action I take on this image will be recorded, and at the end, once I stop it, it will save. Then I can now go and apply it on all my image. This is how it works. Now I go to my adjustment layer. I come to my color lookup. I have my properties here. Then I come to the 3D load file. Then I select the preferred color grade preset color I want, and I want to use the candlelight cube. Right. So I've done this. Now the next thing I do is I stop my recording by clicking this box here. Haven't done this. The next action I'll take is to go to my file. I go to script. I go to image processor. It will bring up this dialog box. Now on this dialog box, on this image dialog box, I'll select my folder where I have my images. I select the folder, this folder where I have the images, and I click OK. I might want to adjust the quality of the image and size. So I normally use half the size so that my image will be smaller and I can save some space on my scratch disks. Then the next thing I do, I click on Run Action. I leave on default. Then I come here and I select the name I just created, the action I just created, which is color grade. So once I click on this color grade, the next action I do is I come here and I click on Run. So what happens is the action goes to that folder, picks all the image which I've edited, then process them. While processing, I can actually take a cup of tea, take a walk out, go and do one or two things, then come back and see that my work is done. So let's watch. Once the system is done processing all the image, so the next thing you do is you go to that folder where you have your image. So these are all the images I just processed. Now you can see it's been saved on that same folder. So a new folder will be created called the JPEG folder. So all you need to do is you open that folder, and here you have all the images. So you might want to compare this and the other image. Now let me open this. See this? Let's go back here, and you can see this. Let's pick this. You can see this. Let's go back to the color graded one here. And you can see this. So you can have both images side by side to compare. So this is how you color grade multiple image with just few clicks. If this video was helpful for you, please click like, share so that others can benefit from it. Thanks for watching. And for your photo shoot, for your portrait, your event coverage within Nigeria, please contact the image on your screen. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.